Kevin, welcome back. Special edition of the Rundown. We're going to be launching weekly episodes for the rest of the summer. I'm going to hop into a topic we haven't talked about in a while, tariffs and parts costs. Kevin, I was recently reading an article, 25% tariff on imported parts could be directly hitting the consumers with an $80 to $100 RO increase. Very interested to see what that's going to do this summer, especially considering we have more travel. Gas prices are at an all-time high. I wonder if consumers are going to be pulling back on some of these jobs. We have the legislative arm, ACA, right to repair. I know they had a big conference recently. What are some good talking points from that?
Yeah, a recent study showed that about 73% of technicians said the reason they can't get a vehicle fixed is simply inaccessibility to data. Australia recently released right to repair on their side of things, and we found that there was a 40% reduction in vehicles being turned away due to that inaccessible data. So tide's changing. We're cresting the wave right now. I hope we can keep that momentum and push through right to repair for our market. We'll keep you posted on that. Tony, last time you talked about ASI's entry into the AI game. Talk about this from the consumer perspective a bit.
Yeah, so very interesting timing. Google just had their I/O event this week. A lot of talk about AI, different files to put on sites, search behaviors, what works, what doesn't work. So a lot of really good information that we're kind of dissecting and seeing what exactly is going on. Google did kind of sneak peek some new potential changes in search, the way ads work. You can communicate with ads now. So these are all beta things. We'll see if they actually roll out and come to fruition, but definitely something we're keeping our eye on, but it's really exciting. I'm going to pop over to our favorite segment, the field, and this is a good one.
Legitimately great for the auto industry in general. The U.S. Department of Education just authorized an update to the Pell Grant program, which essentially Pell Grants are how we pay for schooling, right? 2-year programs, 4-year programs. Starting July 1st, they're also authorizing Pell Grants to be used for 8 to 15-week credential programs. So a lot of these technicians that are in the industry or coming to the industry that want to get secondary schooling for their profession have access now to be able to pay for that. So really exciting stuff. Great work to the Department of Education, and hopefully we'll see more of that technician influx rising. Thanks everybody for joining the rundown. We'll see you next time.